students, this is Vinay sir, your mathematics teacher. Once again, I welcome you all to the online class organized by Alchemy School. Today we are going to start the exercise 5.1 from chapter number 5, lines and angles. So let's see what is given in question number 1 and what we are going to find here. Okay, so according to question number 1, we have to find the complement of each of the following angles. Okay, one angle is given here, that is 20 degree, and we have to find the complement of this angle. So already we have discussed in the introduction part how we can find the complement of a given angle. Okay, to find the complement of a given angle, we can apply the formula complement of an angle is equal to 90 degree minus given angle. So what is the given angle here? Given angle is equal to 20 degree. Okay, simply we have to subtract 20 degree from 90 degree. So we get here 70 degree. So the complement angle of 20 degree is 70 degree. When we are going to add two angles, we get 90 degree. That's why these two angles are complementary angles. Okay, so you can apply the same formula and find the remaining questions by yourself. Next question that we are going to see it, question number 2. Okay, so next question is question number 2. Find the supplement of each of the following angle. Okay, so students, already we have discussed in the introduction part how we can find the supplement of a given angle. Okay, it is as same as we have done the question number 1. So let's see how we can find the supplement angle of 105 degree. Okay, so to find the supplement angle of a given angle, we have to apply the formula supplement angle of a given angle is equal to 180 degree minus given angle. Given angle will be subtracted from 180 degree to find the supplement angle of a given angle. Okay, so let's see which angle is given here. So here the given angle is 105 degree. Okay, to find the supplementary angle of 105 degree, we have to subtract 105 degree from 180 degree. So we get the result here 75 degree. So easily we can write here the supplement of 105 degree angle is 75 degree. Okay, so this is the way how we can find supplement of a given angle. Okay, the same procedure you have to apply in other questions also, and you can solve it by yourself. Next question we are going to see, that is question number 3. Okay, so let's see what is given in question number 3. In question number 3, identify which of the following pair is complementary angles and which of the supplementary angle. Some pair of angles are given here in question number 3. We have to identify the pair which is for supplementary angle and which is for complementary angle. So already we have discussed sum of the complementary angle is 90 degree. Okay, and the sum of the supplementary angle is 180 degree. So to identify the pair of angles as supplementary angle or a complementary angle, we have to find the sum of the given angle. So first question is given here, and that is 65 degree and 115 degree. So when we are going to find the sum of these two angles, we have to add these two angles. So we can write here 65 degree plus 115 degree. So when we are going to add this 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 carry, 1 and 6, 7, 7 and 1 carry 8, 1. Okay, so it is 180 degree. Okay, it means these two angles are supplementary angle. So we can write here the same procedure we have to apply with second number. So you can see here one angle is 63 degree, the second angle is 27 degree. To find which kind of angles these are, so we have to add them 63 plus 27 to find the sum of these angles. When we add these two angles, we get here 7 and 3 10, 0 1 carry, 2 and 6 8 and 1 9. So this is 90 degree. It means when we are going to add these two angles, we are getting 90 degree. Means the sum of these two angles is 90 degree, and when the sum of two angle is 90 degree, they are called complementary angle. Okay, so remaining questions you can try by yourself. We are going to take the next question, that is question number 4. So let's see what is given in question number 4. Okay students, so in question number 4 we are going to find the angle which is equal to its complement angle. So already we have discussed how we can find the complement angle of a given angle, but in this case we don't have given angle, but it is given here the angle is equal to its complement angle. Okay, so let's assume the given angle, let the given angle is x degree. So the complement of angle x will be 90 degree minus x. So this is angle x, okay, that is the given angle, and 90 minus x, this is the complement of this given angle, and in this case it is given that the angle is equal to its complement angle. Okay, so we can write here x is equal to 90 minus x. Okay, so this x will be taken to this side, and x plus x is equal to 90 degree. These will be 2x is equal to 90 degree, and when this 2 will be taken to the other side, x is equal to 90 upon 2. When we cancel it, so x is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so now students, we have the answer here. The angle which is its complement is 45 degree. Okay, so question number 5 is as simple as question number 4. You can try to solve this question by yourself. In question number 5, you have to find an angle that is equal to its supplement angle. Okay, so you can try this question by yourself. Okay, next we are going to see the question number 6. Okay, so let's see what is given in question number 6. So in question number 6, in the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. One figure is given to us here, and it is saying that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angle. Now on the basis of this information, it is asking if angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so both of the angle remain supplementary angle. Okay, so students, when angle 1 is decreased, obviously the angle 2 will be increased, so the sum of two angle will remain same. Matlab sum of the angle should not change, otherwise they will not be the supplementary angle. Okay, so if the angle 1 is going to decrease, angle 2 will increase, or if angle 1 is going to increase, angle 2 will decrease, and the sum of the angle will remain same as 180 degree. Okay, so our answer will be, if angle 1 will be decreased, so angle 2 will be increased to keep the sum of two angles (180°). Okay, so here if angle 1 will decrease, angle 2 will increase. if angle 1 will increase, angle 2 will decrease, and the sum of these two angles will remain same as 180 degree, so they will be supplementary angle. If the sum of the angles are going to change, so they will not be supplementary angle. Okay, so students, we have discussed many questions. You can practice these questions one more time. When we meet again, then we'll take some other question. Question number 7 you can try to solve by yourself. Okay, so till then, keep practicing, keep learning, stay safe and stay at home. Thank you so much.